A lot of injuries happen while on the job, and if there's workers' comp coverage, why would somebody even consider filing a lawsuit?
Because workers' comp is a terrible system, and let me explain that. It started out as a great idea. When the Industrial Revolution occurred and factories are springing up in California in the late 1800s, early 1900s, workers were getting injured all the time. There was virtually no worker safety. So they were filing lawsuits, which was obviously creating lots of problems with employers, profit margins, cost of doing business. So they created this workers' compensation system, and every state has it. So the idea is that it's a no-fault system. So if you get injured on the job due to your negligence, your employer's negligence, or one of your co-employees' negligence, or even the negligence of someone who you don't work with, you get compensated. They pay for your medical bills, they pay for your time off from work. Problem is, over the years, workers' comp has become expensive, and when Schwarzenegger was a governor, he did his workers' comp reform, which really amounted to cutting back on worker benefits. So the problem you have nowadays is you still have those same rights, it's just really difficult to get the care. And the workers' compensation carrier can delay in giving it to you, so you can get stuck in a really tough system. The bigger issue, though, is that the compensation you get through workers' compensation, what they call permanent disability, which is your settlement, is low and cheap and will not begin to compensate you for a chronic injury. So if you get injured, by someone you work with or a condition caused by your employer, you're stuck in the workers' compensation system. However, if you get injured by someone outside that employment relationship, like typically, maybe you're driving on a sales call, you're responding to a call in your job as a firefighter or a policeman, and you get hit by someone who is just a civilian motorist, you can actually sue that civilian motorist and collect damages from them. And the reason that's important is in the civil justice system, fair compensation is determined by juries. Your peers is determined based upon your own particular facts, your own particular injury, and how your injuries have impacted you, so you get far greater compensation, which can help you in the future.